Hi everyone, this is Dr. Jyoti Bala. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. In this session, we will be exploring NCBI BLAST, which is a basic local alignment search tool. This one is widely used for bioinformatics program for comparing a query biological sequence. It could be protein or nucleotide against a database of sequences to identify homologous sequence or to find the reasons of local similarity between the sequences. It uses heuristic approach to find these similarities quickly and efficiently. NCBI BLAST work by first creating a lookup table of all the words, that is sought sequences, in a query sequence. It then scans the database for matching words and extends these matches to find reason of similarity. The algorithm also produces a statistical significance score, that is E-value, for each alignment to determine if the matches is likely to occur by chance. Let's focus on some of the key properties of NCBI BLAST. It performs local alignment to find similar reasons between sequences, even if the overall sequence are not similar. It also uses heuristic approach to find matches quickly, but may not always find the highest scoring alignment. As I mentioned, it also provides a statistical framework to determine if the alignment is significant based on the E-values. It is also available as both web interference and standalone program. NCBI BLAST support a searching nucleotide and protein databases with nucleotide and protein queries. Here are the prime application of NCBI. NCBI BLAST has a wide range of application in bioinformatics and biological research. It helps in identifying unknown sequence by finding similar sequence with the known functions. It also helps in predicting the function of newly discovered gene or protein. It helps in studying evolutionary relationship between species by analyzing sequence homology. Moreover, it also supports in identifying conserved domain within the protein sequences. Apart from that, it can also be utilized in detecting the potential sequence contamination. This can be utilized in aligning two or more sequences to find reasons of similarity. Additionally, this also supports annotating new sequence genome by finding coding reasons. Moreover, this can be utilized in searching for sequences matching a specific pattern or motifs. And few more utilization is in retrieving the related sequence for phylogenetic analysis and also comparing a sequence to a database of known protein structure. There are mainly 5 types of BLAST algorithm available. One is BLAST-P, that is used to compare a protein query sequence against a protein sequence database and compares amino acid sequences directly. The next one is BLAST-N, which is used to compare a nucleotide query sequence against a nucleotide sequence databases. It compares nucleotide sequence directly and can use either the forward sequence or reverse complement sequences. Then we have T-BLAST-N, which is used to compare a protein query sequence against a translated nucleotide sequence database. This translates the nucleotide database sequence in all the 6 reading frame and compare them to the protein query. Next one is BLAST-X, that is used to compare a translated nucleotide query sequence against a protein sequence database. This translates the nucleotide query sequence in all the 6 reading frame and compare them to the protein database. And last one is T-BLAST-X, which used to compare a translated nucleotide query sequences against a translated nucleotide sequence database. This helps in translating both queries and database sequences in all the 6 reading frame before comparison. This performs a comparison in protein space, but the results are nucleotide sequence. The choice of BLAST algorithm depends on the type of query sequence, nucleotide or protein, and the type of database being searched. Using the wrong algorithm can lead to incorrect results such as false negative, where no matches are found when they are actually exist. I hope you have liked the session. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and do share these videos among your scientific endeavor. Thank you.